come here.
Dismounted na, may mga dismounted na southwest mga, may mga dismounted na southwest.
Guys, go to the load room. Pass me, go to
Red alert yung, red alert yung.
Go to the load room.
Southwest ma.
Go in the gate, guys. Go in the gate. Trust me, go in the gate.
Walking na, walking.
Guys, ito bossing. Lalabanan natin ha. Kill yung guards. Huwag yung clear the guards. Don't clear the guards. Atakin nila nila yan. Just please. Just stay in the load room.
Sayang po yung pinatay ko yung ibang guards.
Just wait here. Just wait here. Spider. Put ba bossing? Okay, come in southwest. Guys, board this guy, southwest. Go, ball nyo. Let's teleport. Kill him. You want kill him. Okay, sped. You need to sped.
Engaging, defense.
Nice one. Okay, guys. Board them. Southwest.
Inside.
Will banak. Okay, guys. Come here. Board them southwest. Come southwest. Put southwest. Guys. Southwest, please. Southwest. Got your ring. Southwest, please. You want to. Nice one.
All low on the choke,
Ito ko lang. Nice one.
Can turn natin, can turn.
Come back to the Lord room. Come back to the Lord room. Come back to the Lord room, please. Come back to the Lord room.
Looking.
Engaging. Nangigay sa amin, Chris.
Nadown ako.
Check some status.
Engaging na, bump pad. Ingat sa ano, ingat.
3, 2, 1,
Squad
to the
meeting.
two.
Bump me. Nagbigang
Okay,
ako nila.
Walk and roll. Please, walk and roll. Ready your giga. Walk in lang. Gusto par. Walk in lang. Sige, walk in lang.
Engaging. Looking.
Pop your giga on the gate. Guys, on the bank.
Heal kiss.
Okay, walk in now.
Pwede na.
Walk in, please.
Boom.
Ball nyo lang. Ubusin nyo par. Atin to.
Gusto na, running na.
Wait na to.
Bump squad. Nandito, southwest.
Level ano ba yan? Level 15 pa? Kaya pa mag-lurk.
Nagbabanin na par.
Bump squad, running, bump squad. Nandito sa akin, pre, sa pink.
Running na, may mga nag-mount up na.
Ito yung Brimstone. Nasa akin. Nahila ko yung Brimstone.
Batay mo lang, Mixik.
Going southwest yung nakamay. Going southwest yung nakamay. Brimstone yung dude. Babaan mo.
20, patay mo na to.
Gago,
Na,
pabanday
ito.
dito. Baka may pumuntang rat, boy.
Guys, we need to mount up now. Loot.
Brim, 7-3. Brim, 7-3.
Guys, loot mount up, please. Loot mount up. We need to go castle. One
Fruit
minute.
patay natin.
Guys, 1 minute castle.
Another block coming from Fusto.
Torchall? T-Shore? Torchall flow.
Floor, Fusto floor. Another block.
Yo, 1 HP.
Okay, we need to go. It's Mercat, guys. We need to go mount up, please. Another blob. Guys, mount
Kaya
up.
revive me, Chopper. Baka ma-revive mo ako, Chopper.
What is the blob? What is the blob southwest?
Kitang scout.
Sige, gogli mogli.
Go in the middle. Click the castle. Guys, kill the guards.
Pinaulan na ng trash talk, par.
Milkshake, galaw.
How big gogli?
Wait. May Wing of Liberty rin dito level 14. Ka-alliance ba nila to? Level 14 na yan.
Wing of Liberty.
Wing of Liberty level 14.
The load. Pulling it on the load, guys. Please, QW the load. Naka-hold pa din. O papunta ka dito.
Holding sila ngayon. Sila yung umuubos sa ano? Running na ano.
Solo lang.
Moving na lang.
And just kill the load.
Level 18 na. Level 18 Wing of Liberty.
Click the castle.
Gago, boy, pre. Kawawa yung bomb squad sa likod.
Guys,
Putang ina.
you can not. Guys,
Kuhanin ko silver bag.
go southeast din naman. Go northeast.
Okay, papalit mo ito.
Dep pa siguro muna. May HO tayo dito. Dismounted si Joyce,
Okay, papadismount. Paplip niya muna bago kayo tumawid. Nice.
Sipit sila sa loob.
Gago yung bomb squad, napakatanga talaga. Triplet po.
Run nyo na.
Gugo, ba't paano ito nakalusot yung Wheel of Liberty agad?
May dismounted.
Wala yan. Run nyo na. Run. Full run, guys. You can go southwest, guys. Atin to kasi. Wala dapat mamatay.
Bonking na bonking. Pwede pa loot eh.
Just run, just
Wag. May blood, may carving na sa loob. May carving na.
Ano to? Ang bobo nito. Ang bobo nito, pre.
Wag na, Marcel. Wag na. Guys, wag na.
Patay na.
Man lang. Yukan naman.
Dismounted sa southwest sa kalalabas southwest.
Yukan go southeast, guys. Yukan.
Kiss, may gugli-mugli pa.
Pwede kayo lumabas southeast. Tapos punta.
Don't get caught.
Nice one. Run.
Last-
Yukan baba, guys. Yukan baba.
Wala silang hammer.
Gago pumatay. Hindi, pumatay din. Sorry.
Pumatay. Pwede tayo mag-ipo dito, Case.